Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video, and today I'm going to be trading some crypto on the pocket option platform utilizing two moving averages. I have my chart set up here. The first moving average I have set to 10 EMA, 10 exponential moving average, and the second moving average will be the 50 EMA, which is the red line. The 10 is the white line, the 50 is the red line. In addition to that, I'm going to be setting my candles to 15 seconds, regular Japanese candles, and I will be doing 1 minute trades. So I set my trade expiry to 1 minute. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video and look for a setup. Okay, so I'm on the Tron OTC crypto, and the first step is to wait for the 10 EMA to cross the 50 EMA, the white crossing the red line. Then I look for that retracement back. I wait for the retracement where the price retraces back to the 10 EMA line, because we have a general bearish trend occurring right now. And then I took the trade right when the price hit that 10 EMA line. All right, so let's look at this trade. It respected the price respected the 10 EMA line, and so let's monitor this trade. Okay, we won this trade. Okay, and I'm risking about 1% of my capital. All right, so let's pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I'm on the Bitcoin ETF OTC crypto, and first step, as usual, is wait for that EMA, the 10 EMA to cross the 50 EMA. We're looking at a general bearish trend in the crypto, and so after it crosses, I wait for the retracement back, the price to retrace back to the 10 EMA, and let's monitor this trade. It's kind of going not in our direction right now, but hopefully we'll get a final pushback. Great. You see that? We won that trade at the last few seconds. It retraced back to maintain the bearish trend. All right, let's pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I just took a trade, a buy trade, a call trade on the Polkadot crypto. Same situation. I waited for the crossover of the 10 and the 50 EMA, waited for the retracement. See, had the price climb, and then it started retracing downward back to the line. And once it touched the line, the price touched the line, respected the line. I took the buy trade. So let's watch this. And as you see here, there's a general bullish trend in the price. Great. Okay. We won that trade also. So far we're 3 for 3. Okay, let me pause the video and look for one more setup. Okay, so I'm on Dogecoin right now, and first step, I waited for that crossover of the 10 EMA, that first initial crossover of the 10 across that goes across the 50, and then patiently waited for the retracement back to the 10 EMA. The price retraced back just like in the previous trades, and Let's monitor this trade. See, I waited right for the price to hit that 10 EMA line. And as predicted, great. We have a winner here. So we have 4 winners, 4 for 4 today. And so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends. And I have a link to the platform in the chat, in the comments to the video, and in the channel bio. All right, thanks for watching. Gus Schmidt, and talk to you soon.